Hi, welcome back to the garden. Today it's Sunday, April 24th. If you've been following my channel, you know every Saturday we do a review and then we go to you, see what's going on in your garden to gain inspiration. Now I've had some people write in about the marigolds that we planted. There's 3 reasons I planted marigolds. 1, it helps the pollinators. 2, it reduces some of the bugs. And 3, you can dry the flowers or you can eat them just on a salad. Everything in this garden is edible, one way or the other. And what we're trying to do with this deep mulch garden is just create food. So if we can help the pollinators and get a benefit out of it, there we go. I had a viewer write in and say, remember, snapdragons are edible. So I've got some snapdragons. We're going to put those in today. And nasturtium. So we're going to plant some of those also. Give a little color to the garden while waiting for it to warm up enough to plant tomatoes. And right now, temperature says it's 54 degrees. It feels like it's about 42. It's been raining off and on all day. What better time to transplant a few flowers? Come on, let's plant. I also had a viewer write in and say they really help the bugs in the potatoes. So we're going to plant some here on the end of these rows. Just with everything else, just move that mulch down to the bare soil. And I'm going to go ahead and do this in a couple spots so we can do this quick because it's starting to rain. We're going to try our snapdragon. Let's pull that mulch back. With this rain, they won't even know that they were transplanted. Try the nasturtium. Now that's a worm. And there you go, just that fast. You got a colorful, edible edge to your potato patch. You can do this too. I want to thank you for stopping by the garden, help me get my hands dirty. And until next time, remember, take care of yourself, take care of your family, and God bless you. Come on, let's plant.
Let's go plant garden.